Hi, my name's Andy. I've travelled the world by folding bike, and in this video, I want to help you prepare to ride. I'm out here on a ride in one of New Zealand's regional parks on my folding bike, and I'd like to show you guys what exactly I do to get ready, what things I put in my backpack to make sure that I'm really prepared for riding out here on these nature trails. The first thing you'll want to do is unfold your bike. If you don't have a folding bike, you can skip this step. Make sure that the folding mechanisms are closed and they're nice and tight. You don't want those coming open when you're riding along. And that goes for the handlebars as well. Make sure that they snap into place and you close the safety latch. Extending your seat post to a comfortable position is very important. I like to make sure that my leg will stretch out fully when it's at the lowest position on the pedal. A good rule of thumb with seat height is when you're sitting on the seat and you're stopped at the traffic lights, the tips of your toes touch the ground so you can maintain balance. The next step to take before riding is to take your 3 tools here: an adjustable crescent, this handy bike tool, and an air pump. Check all of the bolts on the bicycle to ensure they're tight so nothing comes open when you're riding. At this point, you can make any necessary adjustments you need to things like the brakes to make sure everything is running smoothly. Checking the tire pressure is one of the most important jobs you can do before riding. What do I take with me on my ride? Well, I usually take a small backpack like this on a day trip, and also on longer rides. This is the same pack that I've taken on 4-month cycle tours. But on a day trip, I tend to just take the bare essentials. The first things I pack when I'm heading out on a ride are these 3 tools. Now, these are the only 3 bike tools you will need. The next thing I would take with me is a lock. A good bike lock like this will save your bike from being stolen. Next up, a bottle of water. Something to eat, a sandwich, a power bank, charge my phone, make these videos, a notepad, just in case I need to jot down any bright ideas. I get hungry on my rides. That's it, guys, just my simple backpack. That's all the things I carry with me. Don't forget your crash helmet. If you're in a country like New Zealand, it's the law. With this simple gear, I'm prepared to cycle almost anywhere. This is what I take on a day trip ride. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and watch this other video over here if you want to see what I take on a 4-month cycle adventure on a folding bike. My name's Andy, you've been watching Hobocyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.